10 years ago when I made this cigar box guitar, I wasn't doing videos, so I thought it was about time. You read about so many of the old blues musicians who talk about how poor they were growing up and not having money for a guitar. They made one out of whatever they had, often using a cigar box. This old cigar box came from a thrift shop and was in pretty bad condition. It didn't have a top, it was kind of beat up, but it still had the tax stamp on it. I didn't grow up on a plantation picking cotton or growing tobacco, but I thought it'd be cool to make my own cigar box guitar. I reinforced the insides and a scrap of cedar was finger jointed and spliced into the damaged side. For the top I used some oak, which became the back of the guitar. Some mahogany and maple I had laying around became a neck. There's no reinforcement in the neck, but with only 4 strings the tension doesn't seem to have hurt it. Because of the small body, a lot of cigar box guitars need to have the strings tied off behind the box in order to get the proper string length. The distance from the nut, which is a brass bolt here, up to the 12th fret, noted by the double dots, needs to be the same distance as from the 12th fret to the bridge, which I've made using a key. Electrifying it with a pickup would make it playable in public, but I just strum it around the house, so there's no real need for a pickup. Cigar box guitars are easy, cheap, and fun to make because there are no rules. As the builder, you get to do whatever you want. How cool is that?